Hello, my name is Zack, and I like to backpack around the world. Let's get this Limassol Barhop nightlife video started. Pulling another Jermaine Ellis. Let's do this. So on this street, there's about 10 bars. Some of them are wine bars, some for beer, hookah, and some of them might be nightclubs. I'm not sure. And some might just be straight up restaurants. So then around this corner, there's some more bars. I guess we'll start off here at, I can't even pronounce it, but it is only €3 for this beer. Pretty cheap. Thank you. Compared to Tel Aviv, Israel, where it was €8 or $8. Looks good. So the first beer of the night is a beer called Kio. Sorry if it's a little dark in here, but this is a beer called Kio. It is from Cyprus. Not from Greece, not from Turkey, it's from Cyprus. So cheers from Limassol, Cyprus. And to Imagine Dragons. That is good. It tastes a little fruity. Like a cider almost. I don't think it's a cider though. This bar plays some really good music. They played Him, Muse, Imagine Dragons, Killers, Joan Jett. If you want to come to a bar with good rock music, come to Narcizo, Cambana here in Limassol. Yes. Come all the way to Cyprus for some good music at a bar. Drink some good Cypriot beer. Let's finish this beer and move on. I thought I could finish it in one gulp. I guess not. So I guess the next bar is going to be this industry bar. Oh, the music is drastically different. I'm sorry it's dark in here. You really can't see me in the front face of the camera. Barely. But the rules of my bar hops are I don't drink the same beer twice. And it looks like they only have like the same 3 beers at every bar on tap. So I'm drinking a Carlsberg beer. I believe it's from Denmark. Cheers. It's okay. My opinion of this bar, nice bartender, really nice bartender, but the music sucks. Honestly, if you want to know my honest opinion, the music, it's not my kind of music, so. And it's very dim in here, so it's hard to see me, even though I don't go to bars based on video quality, but in this situation, yeah. I will never drink another Carlsberg ever again. This is not that good of a beer. Let's finish this and go somewhere else. Now let's check this place out. Cavita, I guess it's called. Thank you. So I'm drinking Stella Artois this time. From Belgium. Same music, better lighting. Holy shit. A lot of foam, a lot of head. Hello. This beer was €5 for the Stella Artois. So I guess it's cost a little more for the imports. This guy just brought me this plate. I guess I'll try it out. Oh my god. That is good. Really good. I feel like I might have drinking a little bit too much. Oh well, let's finish this Stella Artois. Go somewhere else, maybe. Maybe sober up a little bit. Maybe sober up a little bit before I go bar hop some more. So now I'm gonna go to Salut Bar and Grill.
You sitting somewhere?
Huh?
You sit somewhere to pay now?
Yes. So for my fourth beer, it will be Estrella Damm from Barcelona, Spain. I already know I like this beer, but I've been to Barcelona about a year ago. Pretty good. Tastes a little different. I'm getting kind of drunk, so I got a bottle of water to help me out. Estrella doesn't taste the same when you are not within walking distance of the brewery. That is awful. So I'm going to go give me some sushi, even though I already had sushi yesterday, but oh well. So yeah, I'm gonna get some sushi here at Tamaki Sushi Bar. I just ate here yesterday. Really good place. Never mind, they are closed. Oh well. I guess let's try out this burger joint. So I guess I'll get the Mexican because I like spicy shit. Well, I guess that will end my bar hop nightlife here in Limassol, Cyprus. I got drunk way too quick. I should have taken a break here and there, but I didn't. I just went beer to beer to beer. That's my fault. I have Pepsi now. Good night from Limassol. Good night from Limassol, Cyprus. My name is Zack, and I do like to backpack around the world. Give me a subscribe, give me a like, give me a comment, and give me all you got. All right. Whoa. Let's not end the video quite yet. About 15 minutes after that last clip, I was in the bathroom. Ugh. I drank too much too quick. Make sure when you do bar hops, you take water breaks, food breaks, and all that shit because, yeah. And if you're a lightweight, definitely take breaks. Okay, and my favorite bar last night, or in this bar hop, was, surprisingly, it was Canella's. It was not Narcizo. I like Kanella because the lighting was awesome. The staff was really friendly. So I wasn't too into the music, but it wasn't as bad as it was in Industry Bar. So that was probably the worst bar, Industry Bar. Narciso was a good bar though. I enjoyed the music. Very dark inside. And Salut, I was way too drunk by the time I got to Salut, so I don't know. It might have been a good bar, but I don't really remember other than the video clips I have of it. So my favorite bar was Canella's. Good night from Limassol, Cyprus. Thank you for watching.